This month, I want to show you 3 really cool features that they've added to Microsoft PowerPoint. The first feature I want to show you is a cool tool they have called Design Ideas. Not everyone has a knack for design, and sometimes the hardest part about creating a presentation is giving your PowerPoint a really cool and professional look. So what Microsoft has added is what's called Design Ideas. So if I click on the Design tab of the ribbon, right now I have just kind of a plain title slide. I can click on Design Ideas and it gives you different looks to your slide that you can pick from. So I'm going to go ahead and choose something, and if I wanted to, I could keep going and click from slide to slide and pick different features that kind of go with it. The second PowerPoint tool I want to show you is called Sections. Sections allow you to group slides together by either presenter or topic. They're actually really easy to do. So to create a section, all you have to do is click before the first slide of that group, and you can do it in the normal view, or if you prefer, you can also do it in slide sorter view. Then you can just right-click your mouse, choose Add Section, and give the section a name. So this is to explain sections, so I'm going to just call it Sections Explained. Click on Rename. There's my first section group. I also have information on design ideas, so I'm going to go ahead and add a section for that. And then I'll also do my last section for the summary zoom. Now I'm going to click on Rename, and now I have different sections. The cool thing about sections, though, is if I do need to rearrange slides in my presentation, if I have sections, I can right-click on that section, and when I choose Move Section Up or Down, all the slides in that section are moved together. So it just makes life a little bit easier. The last tool in PowerPoint that I want to show you is called Summary Zoom. I'm going to quick switch to the normal view, and then I'm going to create a summary zoom, which is basically an interactive table of contents right before my first group of slides that explain a new tool. So I just clicked between slide 1 and slide 2, and if I click on Insert, I can pick Zoom. And when I choose the summary zoom, what it's going to allow me to do is pick what slides I want to include in this interactive slide. It's going to automatically choose Design Ideas, Sections, and Summary Zoom because those are the first slides in a section. Now when I click on Insert, what it does is it creates a slide that has a thumbnail of the 3 slides that I picked. What the summary zoom does is when I'm in the slideshow, so I'm going to click on the slideshow view, and I click on one of these slides, so I'm going to click on Design Ideas, it actually zooms in on that slide. And then when I click, it'll either return me back to the summary zoom slide, or, for example, if I click on Sections, if there's more than one slide in that section, it'll click through and zoom on each slide in that section and then return you back to the summary zoom. So this is actually, I'm going to click Escape and return back. This is actually a really good feature for a presentation that's not very formal where you have different topics to talk about, but you just want to bring up the slides when you get to the different topics. You're not going in any particular order. It's also really handy when you have more than one presenter. That's my last tool in PowerPoint that's called the Summary Zoom. This is Gina with this month's tip. For more information about our company, visit officeproductivitytraining.com.